Before having my adjustment or some sort of chiropractic treatment, that was 2 weeks ago, I was severely coughing. It's because maybe due to the pandemic or COVID or something, but it wasn't actually COVID. But after having my therapy here for just one session, that was last week, I felt relieved with that coughing, and that was it. It is something that I can highly recommend to those of you, especially those that are coughing and having colds and fever. This chiropractic treatment is a big help. So, recommending everyone to check this place out and have your chiropractic adjustment or treatment done here.